Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing for you. I'm a little bit behind on there, so I'm trying to catch up here. But this one is beautiful and I can't wait to open it. It released, I believe, maybe a couple weeks ago. It's called Aurora Glacier by Mugg. Yes, it is so pretty. I looked up her other artwork on the website as well, and she has a lot of really pretty Aurora skies and such on there. So this is a square drill diamond painting. It is a 60 by 123 centimeter. It is massive. Oh my gosh. Let's see, we have our thumbnails on the side here. Here it is. Okay, so it looks like, let's see if I can get this to focus. It's 54 colors, including 2 Aurora Borealis ABs and 3 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamond says 119,054. My gosh. Alright, and of course we have our thumbnails on the end of the box here. This painting is very large, so I'm going to work with my little desk here somehow, but I got this, don't worry. Alright, so we just took it right out of the box there. Inside we have our kit, our diamond painting. We have our symbols and treasure quest card and our toolkit. Alright, just gonna set this over here. Please don't fall, thank you. Okay, alright, so we have our toolkit here. This comes with everything you have to have in order to complete your diamond painting. So you have baggies, the tray, the twist and pick pen, all the things. And here's our thank you card here. Zoom in. And this will be where we have our symbols and our treasure quest card. Let's see what I got. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. Ooh. You all don't understand how many kits I have opened, and I've never even seen a black card in person, ever. I don't know where this voice is coming from. I'm like conjuring it from the depths of my something. I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's a black card. Oh my gosh. Look. See? Where's this demon voice? What is happening to me? Look. Stop it. Look. Oh my gosh. I got a black card! Okay, I need to be serious here. Whew. Okay, contain yourself. One moment. Okay, I did more squeal sounds and I think I'm okay. Anyway, so for those who don't know, these are treasure quest cards. You get these in I believe every single new kit you get from Diamond Art Club, if not most of them. And there's different rarities of each card. There's like silver, bronze. Bronze is, I think, the least rare. Yeah, bronze, silver, gold, and then black is the most rare. This is like, I swear I've gone through a bazillion kits and I've never even seen one, and here it is! Okay, I need to chill. Okay. So, you can collect these and then redeem them on the Diamond Art Club website. And you can redeem them for things like a gift card, even a custom diamond painting, things like that, after you collect so many. If you want more information about the treasure quest cards, there's a link in the description you can look at. I still cannot believe this. This is crazy. And look how cool the black looks with the Aurora. This is crazy. Okay. I'm gonna set this off to the side here, and then after I'm done recording here, I'll probably continue the excitement. Okay, so inside our little envelope here, we have our tips and tricks, and we have pictures of how to refill your twist and pick pen, so on and so forth. Here will be our symbols. All right, so as you can see here, we have individual stickers. You can see if I peel them up here. Your individual stickers you can use on your containers to kit up your diamond painting. Look at all of those blues. Woo! And then at the end of our list here, you'll see the special drills. So we have our 2 ABs here. It looks like it's going to be, what I like to call the anchor and the check mark. And then over here we have our 3 fairy dust, the ones with the Z in front of it. So all 54 colors, individual stickers. And then to the side here, you have the big thumbnail picture, nice and long. This is also an individual sticker as well. You could peel that up. You could put that on your storage container if you kit more than one thing up to stay organized, or you could put it on your logbook because it also has a start date and an end date. And you even have the colors and all the things. All right, so I'm gonna set this off here. I'm gonna keep my card out so I could take a picture. All right, now we're gonna zoom back out and check out this massive canvas. All right, so since this did release a couple weeks ago, how many of you got it? Last I checked, or before filming this unboxing, it did show that it was still available on Diamond Art Club's website. If I remember, I need to stop saying if I remember, I'm going to go ahead and link the diamond painting in the description as well. I should remember. It should be fine. All right, let's see. Are we face up? Nope. Okay. Here we go. So this is humongous. Look at that. Okay, so already I see the rendering of these mountains. It looks amazing. I'm having some of it go on my lap here. It's gonna be fine. Oh, that's really pretty. So we do have a lot of darker colors, but inside the Aurora looks like a lot of different shades of blues and greens. There's the colors. Oh my gosh. All right, let's try to flatten this out just a little bit. Since Diamond Art Club uses poured glue, you can just roll the opposite direction and it should lay pretty flat. I'm not going to do the whole thing because it's rather long. Look at this. This is stunning. So you do have, like I said, some dark colors here. I wonder if that's where our, like there's little dots here. I wonder if that's where the special drills will go. So we're going to take a quick glance at the different drills here so we can compare the colors. And then I will give you a close-up of the canvas and we will figure out where the special drills go. So just one moment, I'll be right back. All right, I have the drills out here and we're just gonna kind of quickly go through here. So we have 2 big bags of 336. It's kind of like a dark blue. We have 2 bags of 3844. It's like a happy blue. Okay, so here's 823. This one's pretty close to black. It's like one of the darkest blues I think you can get. But there's like 92. I don't know. This is pretty close. It's very dark blue. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 823. All right, I'll twist it here. All right, then we have a big old bag of 3807. It's like a really pretty purple. 2 bags of 992. Here's 3371. So this is another really dark one. So 2 bags of 3371. Here's our first bag of special drills. This is AB 3846. You can see that shimmer iridescent coating there. All right, and here's 154. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big old bags of 154. This almost looks to be like a really dark purple. All right, set that off. We'll go on to the next one. And some of these colors may continue. So here's the other string of the big girls. Okay, so what's this one? Okay, so we have 518 here. 3843. Here's another AB 453. This is really pretty. I'm not sure if I've seen this one. It's like a tan color. Then we have 3812. We have 3 bags of 3842. We have 2 bags of 415. Then 2 bags of 807. Only 3 bags of 310. So all that dark background is different dark blues. 3765, 2 bags of that one. We have 598. And then it looks like 3 bags of 336. Alright, going on to this one here. Wait, is this another? Okay, that's one. Okay, now I'm twisted again. Sorry if that's loud. Alright, here we have 3847, 333, 327, 995 3760 6001 3845. I'm gonna go through. Okay, so here's our first fairy dust. 964 is really pretty too. All right, so this is Z3766. Let's see if I can. I'm not sure if the camera will focus, but this has a really pretty glittery coating on it. It really stands out next to the flat drills, especially next to the ABs as well. Okay, 2 bags of 3866, 169. All right, so we have 169, 160. Oh, 2 bags of 160, 3750, and then 792. Okay, looks like this might. Oh no, we have one big strand here. What is this? This might be. This is our other fairy dust. There's 2 big old bags of Z993. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay, and then we have 3 bags of 803, another dark blue color. All right, and here's our mini bags. Okay, so we have 340. I'm just gonna kind of go through this one. If you want to see them individually, you can definitely slow down the video. You just, if you're on your PC, or I think on your phone too, you hit the gear and you can make it slow down so you can see all these numbers. Here's another fairy dust. This is like a, almost looks like a pearl color. That's really pretty. I bet those are the stars. See, 3761, all of those. Okay. All right, I'm going to flip this canvas back over and figure out where these special drills go. Be right back. All right, so first up, we're going to see where the ABs go. So I have them right here. First up, we're going to look at AB 453. That's that really pretty tan one. And that is our anchor symbol. The only place that I really saw this one is, let me zoom in here, is right on the peaks, like the snow on the mountains here. This is at the bottom of the canvas. So it's just throughout the mountain tops here. And let's see where the blue one is. All right, and the blue one, which is this here, it's 3846. So that symbol is the check mark at the bottom there. So this I see at the bottom of the blue Aurora. It's kind of like highlighting all throughout here, and even towards the top we have all this outline here and the check marks. So that's the lighter color of the blue. All right, and the next we have fairy dust next. So this is that pearl looking Z762, and I was totally right. It is, looks like it's the stars. So this is the symbol for that Z762. It's like a corner arrow type deal. So if you look throughout the canvas, we have one of them. Let's see if I can find my finger. So we have that right there. And then if we go towards like this dark patch here, we have it sprinkled. But this is the left side of the canvas. You can see them sprinkled out more. So that's going to add a really pretty touch of that glitter throughout. All right, then we have the Z993, a really pretty emerald green color. So that symbol is this flower looking doodad. So this is where I see kind of in the middle, if you look here, in the middle of where the Aurora like begins with the greens, right smack dab in the middle, and it's like that throughout. See up here as well. So wherever you see that green is a bunch of those. That's going to be beautiful. All right, next up we have the Z3766, very pretty blue fairy dust. That symbol is our lowercase n. And where I saw this is also kind of in the blue Aurora where it reaches its peak. And it's right below where we saw the ABs were going to go. So the ABs were the check mark. These are right below those. And they're, like I said, kind of scattered throughout here. See, like here's a whole group of them. So some of them are right below the check marks and some aren't. See, like here we have a whole group of check marks, which is the AB, and then this little slice of fairy dust there. So it's gonna really work well together. So I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of the kit as best as I can. So starting up here at the top, and we move over. It really is going to be so beautiful done. You can even bling this up further if you really wanted to. It is stunning. And you know, it would probably work up quite fast too, because I mean, it's not a whole lot of confetti, it's just big groups of the same color. So this would work up quite nicely. Oh, well, except for the mountains are kind of crazy. But not too wild. But you got lots of color changing there. So quite a bit of confetti in the mountains. Not too bad though. And then we have our water, which we're back to like groups of different colors. Got some color switching down here in this part. So overall, beautiful canvas. Let me know if you already purchased this one or if you plan to after watching this unboxing. I love it so much. I think it's beautiful. It'll work up nice and fast. It's a good project to like take and work on with your friends because it's nice and long. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you're brand new here, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button on your way out. I appreciate you being here. Until next time, everyone. Bye.